Your brain is literally poisoning itself right now. Every second you're awake, toxic proteins are accumulating in your brain tissue. And there's only one way your body can flush them out: sleep. Here's what's actually happening. While you sleep, your brain cells physically shrink in size. This isn't damage, it's deliberate. When those cells contract, they create space for cerebrospinal fluid to rush in and wash through your brain tissue, flushing out the toxic proteins that built up during your waking hours. This isn't just about feeling rested, you are literally poisoning your brain by not sleeping. Those toxic proteins accumulate throughout the day and they need to be cleared out. No amount of willpower or determination changes this. The biology will catch up to you. Think about what that actually means for chronic sleep deprivation. If your brain can't complete this cleaning cycle, those proteins don't just disappear, they stay there. And the evidence suggests this matters more than most people realize. Lack of REM sleep can inhibit this cleaning process entirely. That's one reason sleep apnea is linked to dementia and Alzheimer's. When your breathing stops repeatedly during the night, you're not just losing sleep quality. You're preventing your brain from completing the most critical maintenance work it does. Here's where it gets interesting. Some insomnia drugs, like Ambien, reduce the brain's ability to complete this flushing process. You might fall asleep, but your brain doesn't get the most important benefit of that sleep. That's why people often don't feel truly rested when they wake up, even after a full night on medication. One perspective worth noting: the brain's cleaning process may also occur during meditation. The research here is less established, but it suggests that deep meditative states might trigger similar mechanisms to sleep, at least partially. The bottom line is this isn't optional maintenance. Your brain has no other reliable way to clear these toxins. Sleep deprivation isn't just making you tired. It's preventing essential neural housekeeping that your brain literally cannot function properly without. So yes, your brain washes itself while you sleep. Those toxic proteins building up right now as you watch this, they'll keep accumulating until you lie down and let your brain cells shrink, make space, and flush it all away. What's the longest you've ever gone without sleep, and how did it feel?